After that, I got selected in Tech Mahindra through STAD Solution. Hello everyone, my name is 𝐒𝐡𝐲 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐃. I have completed my BTech in Automobile Engineering in 2022 year. After completing my graduation, I have joined one of the I have one of experience in Open Educate technology. So while after that, I have to upgrade my skill. So I have joined one of the software testing institute called STAD Solution. In STAD Solution, I have learned all the manual testing concept. Through manual testing concept, we have also created some of the documents in that. We have done some of the live project called in Telegram, eBay, Foodland, etc. In that, we have created a test plan, test cases, test scenario, bug report, etc. After completing my training institute, I have joined one of the company called Tech Mahindra. In Tech Mahindra, I have faced two interviews. In one interview both the interview was online, and so after that I got selected in Tech Mahindra through STAD Solution. So I highly recommend that. So anyone want to start in a software testing career, so I highly recommend to join in a STAD Solution.